Welcome to this crown chakra clearing and opening and balancing energy healing session. I'm going to be flowing very high vibrational source energy through me into your crown chakra. So please find a comfortable place to lie down. Place all of your attention at the top of your head. Sometimes it can help to imagine that there is a funnel coming in from the universe, and it's funneling in this golden violet energy right from source to you and through your entire being. I'm going to start with sacred symbols so I can connect with your energy. If you haven't yet, please set the intention that you are open and receptive to this energy clearing session. We call upon Archangel Uriel to help open up this connection, as well as any other beings of light, guides, angels who can assist in this process, to open us up to the oneness of what is, the oneness of it all. Now, as I do the sacred symbol of the dicomio, we call in the big bright light, and I want you to imagine that it's just encompassing your entire being in a protective shield. Allow your consciousness to expand past your body, past this space. Feel that deep connection. I'm just going to say some affirmations. You can allow the vibrations of these words to embrace your consciousness to flow through you. Or you can use your thoughts to mentally repeat the affirmations after me. I am one. I am connected to everything in this universe. I release any false beliefs or feeling of separation. I am whole and complete, just as I am. I am not my mind or my thoughts. I am not my body. I am pure, divine consciousness. I am unconditional love. I am truth and knowledge. I am a divine, perfect part of Source. And we now call back our consciousness into our body, so it can help by taking a deep breath in and pulling it all back into your body to where you are in this very present moment. Feel your consciousness in this time, in this place. And I'm sending some grounding energy to ground your consciousness in the here and now so that you can go about your day. I'm just going to wipe off anything in your energy field or arc field that you released that doesn't serve you. Cleanse, clear of anything that is not of pure love and light. Disconnecting from your energy, so be it, so it is, we give thanks. The divine light within me loves and honors and is grateful for the divine light within you. Thank you so much. If you would like a personal chakra clearing or energy session, go to reikiwithrachel.com. Love and light.